Alright, now let's have a look at myopia, which is also called short-sightedness or nearsightedness. Just write that down here. So, myopia, nearsightedness. And basically, what this means is, let me draw an eye again. So we've got the lens of the eye, optic nerve. Just for good measure, let me put the ciliary muscles in here. Now, if you're nearsighted or you suffer from myopia, what it essentially means is you have trouble focusing on things in the distance. So you've got light rays that are coming into your eye. I'll do this assuming something is way off in the distance, like a star. Light rays are coming in parallel into the eye. And then what happens is, if you are nearsighted, is that the light gets bent, but it gets bent too much. You're not focusing it on the retina here, but instead it gets focused inside the eyeball, just in front of the retina, and so what that results in is a fuzzy image here instead of what you should get, which is a single dot. Now the reason why this happens is because the lens of the eye, in its relaxed state, still has too much power. It has too much power and it's converging the light rays too much, more than it needs to, you know. What needs to happen here is this light ray coming in here doesn't need to be refracted and converged as much. It needs to go at roughly this angle. And this light ray here, the same thing. The thing is, the lens in its relaxed state, because the ciliary muscles don't actually stretch the lens out. So this is when you're just looking at your most relaxed, and there's not a lot you can do. But the cure for this is remembering what I said about power. Let me just take these out of here. Okay, I'm going to lose everything. That's all right. Remembering what I said about power, let me just draw the eye again. And remembering that a concave or divergent lens has a negative power compared to the lens that's in the eye, which is a convex lens, which has got a positive power. So the solution to this is essentially pair of glasses with a concave lens of course having a negative power and this having a positive power, so that what happens is the light rays that are coming into the eye now, I'll just choose a different colour, into the eye, before they go into the eye they get slightly diverged. And we've got these parallel light rays coming in, they get slightly diverged so that then the convex lens will then bend them the same amount that was bending them before, but now focus them to a single point.